A long time ago, there was a man named Sunita. Sunita had a very hard life. His job was to sweep the streets and clean up the things no one else wanted to touch. In those days, people believed that some people were born important and others were born worthless. Because Sunita was a sweeper, people thought he was lower than everyone else. They wouldn't even let his shadow touch them. Sunita felt like he didn't matter at all. But one afternoon, the social order of an entire empire was about to be shattered. Because walking down that same dusty road was the Buddha. Sunita was terrified. He thought, "I am so dirty and poor. I must hide so I don't ruin this holy man's day." He ran to a wall and pressed his body against it. He bowed his head low, waiting for someone to tell him to go away. But the Buddha didn't pass by. He stopped, and then he spoke, not with the voice of a judge, but with the voice of a compassion. "Sunita, why do you live in such sorrow? Would you like to leave this life and join us?" Sunita was shocked. No one had ever spoken to him with respect. He stammered, "Lord, I am a low-born man. Can someone like me even become a monk?" The Buddha's reply would become a cornerstone of human rights. In the Dhamma, there is no high or low. Just as all rivers lose their names when they flow into the great ocean, all men lose their caste when they seek the truth. It does not matter where you were born. What matters is what you do. No one is born good or bad. We become good or bad by our own actions. Sunita said yes. He left his broom behind and began to learn. The city was in an uproar. How can a man who cleaned our gutters sit among the holy? They tried to find fault in him. They watched his every move. But Sunita didn't just join the monks. He practiced with a focus the others couldn't match. He had been at the bottom. He knew exactly what he was leaving behind. Through wisdom and meditation, he attained total enlightenment. The story goes that months later, even King Bimbisara came to the monastery. He saw a monk radiating such immense peace that the king, the ruler of the land, bowed his head to the monk's feet. That monk was Sunita. This story taught us that your past does not dictate your potential. True dignity is not given by birth. It's earned by character. And most importantly, kindness has the power to resurrect a human soul.